Hi, welcome to Skilliv. This is a simple visual guide to understand how to use this platform. If you face any difficulties or challenges while using this platform, you can reach us by clicking the Contact Us option. You can see there are various courses listed here under different categories. You can choose the course of your choice and click on it to see the details of the course. This can be done using another option as well, that is by clicking all courses in the Skilliv page. Here is a list of courses that are listed on this platform. We will keep on adding various courses here soon. You may click on the course of your choice to see further details. Now you can see the various details like course name, keywords related to the course delivery language, what you are going to learn in this course, requirements you should have before learning this course, table of content, etc. In the right-hand side, there are details of course inclusions like duration of e-learning videos, learning access, validity, etc. First you need to log in using your credentials or using Gmail account details. Enter the details and log into your account. It is important to fill the correct details in all the fields. The name and email details that you enter here will be used for generating for your course completion certificate. Click on Add to Cart or Buy Now to purchase the particular course. For purchasing multiple courses, choose the courses and add them to cart and later select Complete Checkout. Now, choose Submit to continue for payments. Now click Pay Now. You can pay for the courses selected by using any of the payment methods. Our platform support payment through cards and UPI as well. For quick payment, you can select the UPI mode. Now scan the QR code on the screen or enter UPI ID and make payment using the selected UPI app from your smartphone. Once the transaction is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. To access or view the course that is purchased, go to My Learning. You can view the enrolled courses here. The first course allocated to you is a Skilliv Guide course. You can go through it if you need. You can also see the course that you have purchased now. Click on Continue Learning and start learning. Once your course is completed, you will receive your certificate of completion on your email and later it will be visible on your dashboard.